Hey everyone, Corey from CJ's here, and today we're going to be showing you how to install a fold-out table to your Bronco tailgate. So if you own a new Bronco, you've been probably paying attention to all the accessories coming out from Ford and other companies. One of the accessories that we have here today is the fold-out table for your tailgate. This is beneficial for many reasons, whether you're overlanding in your Bronco or if you're just going to one of those sporting or concert events of yours, you're able to now fold out a table from the tailgate to be able to set up your things for the day. Another great feature about this is whenever you're done setting up, you're able to actually just fold up the table into the tailgate so it doesn't take up too much cargo room. Now, before we hop into the install of this tailgate fold-out table, one thing to keep in mind, you do have to drill into your factory tailgate, so if that's something you're not too comfortable with, definitely see a professional, but if that's something that you're comfortable with, just check out the rest of this video. With the tailgate open, we can go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is actually just take off this plastic panel here. So go ahead, grab your clip tool and just pull gently, and then work the clips out from there. After pulling the old panel off, you're going to want to go ahead and put on this new Bronco plate. Now before putting it on, you do have to put in the clips that came with the kit. So like I said, we have to install the clips before installing the faceplate there. So you're going to have 4 of these small guys here, and they will go into the factory mounting holes where the plastic guard went. Now, not only will you have these 4 small ones on the top, but you will have 2 bigger ones on the bottom. Now that the clips are installed, we can go ahead and install the Bronco faceplate. On to the next step here, we're going to go ahead and install the frame to the actual folding table. This will just go onto your bottom clips and slide it. Now we're going to go ahead and grab some hardware and get this bolted up. After you got the bracket clipped into place, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab some screws from the hardware that's supplied. The reason that we're putting this hardware in now is so that the bracket can be secure and then we can get our mounting holes perfect. With the bracket loosely installed, now we're ready to go ahead and mark our 4 holes before we start drilling. With all of our holes marked and punched, we're good to go ahead and remove this bracket and then start drilling. Before you go ahead and start drilling, always remember when you do drill, you want to start with a smaller size and then work your way up to the correct size. So we're going to go ahead and start at this top corner here and then work our way around. Alright, now that all of our holes are drilled, we're going to go ahead and install these threaded inserts with the tool that's provided with the kit. So there you go, push your insert into the tailgate and then head over to your bag of hardware. There's going to be a special tool in there to be able to tighten down this insert and then a bolt to do so as well. So we're going to start off, we're going to thread this bolt in. You want to have the tool against the threaded insert. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten the bolt, which will bring the insert closer to the tailgate, creating a snug fit. Now once you tighten that down fully, That'll secure the threaded insert against the tailgate. Now with the threaded inserts installed into the tailgate, we can go ahead and install our fold-out table bracket for the last time. So now what I'm going to do is start these top mounting bolts here. Not going to tighten them up anything crazy, just to get them started so this will hold into place. Now we're good to actually mount the bracket to the tailgate. So with the supplied hardware, go ahead and do so. Now I will say though, before doing this, it is a good idea to put in the side screws here to be able to help line everything up. You don't want to tighten these down fully, just enough so we're able to get all the bolts in. Alright, so I got my bolts started in these three corners here. Now I left this side undone because we actually want to be able to have this loose so we can get the table on, and then we'll work on that fourth bolt there. Now before putting the table on, go ahead and install these washers here onto the end. Slide one side on it first, and then the left side. And we're going to go ahead and attach these tethers to keep it held into place to make our life easier. So we got everything loosely installed here. Everything is exactly where it needs to be, so we're going to go ahead and tighten everything down. As you can see, we got the fold-out table installed onto our tailgate of our Bronco. I'm pretty excited about this piece. It's definitely going to benefit us a good bit. But it's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check out cjponyparts.com for all your Bronco part needs.